Morgan,
Huh?
get out my bed.
No.
I thought you was just snoring though. Get out my bed.
No.
Yes.
No.
Are you snoring? This is ridiculous. Morgan, get out my bed.